One of the things I'll show you if you're feeding deer that really works for me is you take this new salt block like this, and I just use straight molasses and pour it, fill up this hole at the end of the salt block, and then maybe just put a little bit on top of it. Really has a pungent odor, sweet taste obviously, and seems to work really well. And then what I tend to do is also I will add some corn to it. Can't hurt, and they'll really find that salt block before you can turn around.